Want to try this creme brulee? Come into PattyKakes Kitchen and let me show you how. A saucepan on medium heat. I'm going to add some sugar, some milk, and some heavy creaming. Stir that on medium heat until the sugar starts to dissolve. I'm going to also stir in a tablespoon of vanilla paste. You can use a vanilla bean or you can use vanilla paste. Okay. Get that stirred in. I'm going to stir this for about 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes to be exact. And the sugar should be dissolved. When it starts bubbling, go ahead and cut it off and set it to the side. Get some boiling hot water on the stove. You're going to take your eggs and put them in a mixing cup. And slightly beat it. And we're going to slowly whisk in that mixture that we set aside on the stove. Pour it in slowly, a little bit at the time. Whisk. A little more. And whisk. And that boiling water that I told you to boil, we're going to use it in a minute. So make sure your water is boiling. And we're going to pour in the rest. And then add salt. And whisk. Get that whisk well. Okay, I have 6 ramekins in a pan, and I'm going to fill each one of my ramekins. Just to where the line is on the ramekin, not to overflow. Let's try to put an even amount in each one. Okay. Now I'm going to take that boiling water and I'm going to pour it in my pan about quarter ways. Just take that water and you're going to pour it in your pan. About right there. Heat your oven to 325, and I'm going to bake these for 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, they should look like this before you take them out of the oven. After 35 minutes and you remove them out of the oven, they should have a little slight jiggle to them. You're going to remove them out of the hot water and we're going to let them cool room temperature. When you let them cool room temperature, then refrigerate for about 3 hours. Brûlée means burnt in French. I'm going to take a tablespoon of sugar and put it on top. And we're going to take the torch and we're going to caramelize it. Enjoy. If you're enjoying this video, we'd really appreciate your support. Go ahead and tap that like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might enjoy it too. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell set to all so you'll always know when a new PattyKakes Kitchen video is ready for you.